Remove the border line. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red. Remove this one. Remove this one. White, or fold this one over and fold this one over. If we fold these two over, okay, if you take a look, you see what this shows over here? S and T that you can't make out. What does this one over here show? This is basically the E or the F. We can do a lot of things. This says Saint. It says 5. Okay, because we have to stop. We remove the two of them or we cover them over. Okay, we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we take away the border line and put red as the border line again, we have 5 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 white. 5 and 4 is the sun. We take out the border line. We take out 2, 4, 6. We take out 2, 4, 5, 6 and 5. We take out 11. We have 39. It says the sky. So we work it in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 20. And on the inside, there's now 1, 2, 3. There's 5 and 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 areas of 4. 15 and 5, that world we're in. You see these stars in the center? The cube is in the center. Then the bigger cube is in the center. That works out to here. There's nothing underneath here, so we have to remove 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We remove 5, 3, and 1, the ace. We remove 5, 3, and 1, the ace. And we can only run down this way. If I remove them all, 5, 3, 1, 9. If I remove them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this one's already removed. So we're going to have to draw a picture of this so we can easily see it a little bit better. We take away this. Then we go ahead and we take away this. Then we go ahead. You see the way it's two corners? Then we go ahead and we take away this. Then we go ahead and we take away this. So if you take a look, this became a flat mark. This corner here becomes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 17, 8, 9, 17, 30 for the queen. We run within 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 runs in the center. If your birthday's in 76, that's 13. If you're born July, that's 6 and 7, that's 13. If you're born on the 13th, that's 13. 13, 13, say the sky. Now, if we box it in, here's your cube over here. Inside the cube is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to count an exact line. We can't count as if we're counting stars. There's 4 lines of 4. We count this line and this line, or this line and this line. Once we count the outside lines, we automatically have the inside. It's 4, 4, 2, and 2. 4, 2, 2, 4. 4, 2, 2, 4, and the cube is in the center. So inside of here we have 4, then we have the cube 4, and then we have 4. So if you really take a good look, it shows 101. 101 and the separators. So you have a total of 4, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 and 4. This would represent the purple heart because in pool it becomes the purple heart. 4 and 4 is your 8. 2 and 2 is your 4. 4 is your purple. 8 is your black. So now we're going to count that we took away how many stars? We took away 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a single star. This is a single star. This star is not a single star. This comes in these 3. This comes in these 4. See the separations? There's no separations of these stars. 3, no separations of these stars. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 9, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. All explaining to you because nothing is straight up and down. Everything is in boxes and curves. So if we go on the outside of this box over here, right, we come to this box over here. This is 10. We go on the outside of this box, okay? There's a separation. There is no link. We cannot go on the outside because there's no star down here. So it has to stop here. So let's just take away the borderline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 makes one borderline, and the second borderline makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 and 10, 108, plus the connecting, 111, 110. So we take away 18 stars from 50, we have 32, we have the doorway. So there's more to just looking at 50 stars. There's 50 reality stars. We have a box over here. This box over here, upper, and then this box over here, lower. These 6 will create 2 boxes. Then we have the boxes down here. That will create these 4 over here. The same 4 over here that's created over here. And we have to recreate this whole star. If you want to count, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, 6 space on the outside, 5 spaces on the inside, plus 6 is 11. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5. 5 and 4 is 9, 9, 11 on the outside. Take the accountability for the outside of the space. This will be 13. This will be 11. 13, 11, number 4 and 2 again. 4 and 2 again. If we want to understand the inside space, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 by 4, no, it's 5, then 2, then 5. It's 5 to 5 counting over here. 5 to 5. Earth, combination of 17. The gateway is the queen. The queen is the earth. She rules. She rules within us. She holds our crown. Everything comes from the earth. We eat. And we come from the earth. But at the same time, we are electronic. Inside of our body, there are metals inside the earth, and we become of those metals. So every flag you see, or whatever you see, is only the figment of your own imagination, because you are creating. You say, I see 50 stars, but what do you see of the 50 stars? Raphael at 706. And Ceph, C-E-F, the serf, the red-nosed reindeer, the leader. Born 76, 42, 55, the leader at the gateway between 313, because 55 is present in 3 scenarios. It's present between 5 and 6. It's present between 4 and 7, between 7 minus 1.5 and 4 plus 1.5. And the other 55, where does that come out from? Those are the 2 55s of the 110. And one other thing I wanted to mention, I'm going to try and show it over here, is when we draw an L letter, we draw from down here all the way to the bottom, over, and then up through the center. Starting a V starts in a corner. The L can start in the corner, but it'll only come halfway because it has to come and reconnect here. The V is connecting 2 corners. We must make a circle here to connect this side and a circle here to connect this side. When we take any shape, we can give me any shape, it doesn't matter. If you give me a triangle, if you give me a square, we have to remember to always finish the extending points. We have to know to come from our corners and cross each other. We have to know how to wrap the band between sides. We have to know that if we pull this side down here and this side is already pulled in here, we're going to squish the whole thing. We need to pull in this way or we pull in this way. One is a passage, one is a pull in. Everything plays from the heart. This is my own perception and understanding. Raphael, 7286. I ran out of yesterday's coffee. Thank you for watching.